There are a few ways to implement your new enriched feed design into Meta. Replace a current feed link if you have one, create a new feed, or create an overlapping feed. Each of these have their own benefits and uses too. Replacing a current feed link is the quickest way to get your new designs up and running across all of your products. Replacing your current feed with the enriched feed will make sure you don't have to jump through Facebook's learning phase to get the right products in front of the right audience. If you prefer to leave your existing catalog alone and want the new design to find the right audience, then creating a new feed may be better. In Commerce Manager of your Meta account, you'll see the Catalog section. Click on Add Catalog, then select the catalog type that closest matches the items you sell. Next, you'll input a catalog name and click Create. Once the catalog is created, select View Catalog. On the left-hand panel, select Data Sources. In the list of options, select Data Feed. You will be asked if you're ready to upload your feed. Since the feed is already ready to import, select Yes and Continue. From here, select Use a URL as your file upload type. Here, you'll paste the Enriched Catalog feed URL you copied from Marpipe. Once the feed is successfully uploaded, you'll be asked how often you'd like your feed to update. It's recommended to update daily to account for any changing of inventory. Confirm your settings and select Save Feed and Upload. Lastly, you can also add an overlapping feed to an existing catalog. Overlapping catalogs are great if you have a specific design that only fits with certain products in your overall feed, like a brand callout or specific product set. In Data Sources, click on Add Items, add multiple items to start uploading. Follow the steps on screen to import the enriched feed design. The steps are similar to adding a new feed. Once the feed has been uploaded, you'll be asked if you want to update, replace, or create a new data feed. Replace existing data feed will only overlap products that exist in that feed, so if there are any additional products, they may get deleted. It's recommended to update the existing data feed, so if there are new items, they'll be added in as well. Once you click Next, confirm all of the settings, including the data feed name. Click Next and Upload, and you'll be good to go.